have my modular helmet on right now, so I wonder how the audio is. I find myself not wearing it because the first few times I used it, there was a lot of wind noise. This is the modular here. Opens all the way up, exposes your whole face as opposed to the full face helmet. Good thing about the modular is you can walk into stores without taking off your helmet and feeling like people are looking at you as if you're going to commit a crime. The modular is a ILM brand, Amazon, and my full face is a Bell qualifier, I believe it is. The ILM has a light in the back. You access it by pushing the button there. Also has a couple of blink settings. They are both wired up for the Sena camera. So I wonder how the audio is. And my Sena camera, the one I started with about a year and a half or so ago. This is the 10C Eve over here. Now I really only use it for audio. I Bluetooth my GoPro up to it, and since the audio system is pretty nice on the Sena 10C, I use it as a Bluetooth. Comes with a real decent audio system. This is the headset here. With the microphone, you kind of wire it up where you want to. That's where I'm kind of having problems with modular. I believe I don't know where to put it at to eliminate the wind noise.